Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin BTC to USDT on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Well, first up, go ahead and open up your Binance app. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the top left and tap on the Binance icon. In here, go ahead and go to the bottom and tap on More Services. Just tap on it and wait for it to load. Now at the top, we have the search function. Just tap on it. Now look for convert. All right. As you can see here, we have a result. Just tap on it. Now just wait for it to load. Now once it loads right here in the first box, just tap on USDT and change it to BTC. All right. Tap on it. Now in here, just tap on it. Now go ahead and select USDT right here at the first search result. Just tap on it. And after that, just hit on preview or tap on the preview conversion button, which is right here. And in the next page, it will ask you to deposit if you have an insufficient balance. All right. After that, just hit on convert. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.